Guys, so while we're waiting on JB Weld to cure, we're going to be putting on LED light bar bracket. So for mine, I'm going to mount it underneath these, but it has a lot of different mounting options for you to be able to mount it, you know, especially maybe if you have an anti-vibe clamp or something like that, where you can mount it on top. I just think it'll look better on bottom. When I get a different stem, we may go a different route. But we're gonna put this on and get it wired up and check it out. I'll put a link to this in the description down below. Let's go. I ain't gonna lie, two-person job, so be right back. Okay, so finally, we're mounted on. We're good to go. I had to use some real janky looking hardware setup because the bolts that came with it weren't long enough, and the only bolts that I can find out here are 16 millimeters long. So I think on this specific light bar with this mount, I need like an M5 by like 10 millimeter. And so I'm gonna order some Pro bolts for that, just for the look, and go from there. But so far, shaping up good, looking good. We're going to run our wiring right down through there, use some quick connects. And another thing while I'm doing mine here, I will be putting the ignition on the side right here, just to make it real easy on me. Well, that's not looking like it's gonna fit. That's a problem for another day. My ignition is a 3-position ignition switch. So I have bypassed all of the stuff to make it to where there's an actual light switch. Mine goes like this, turn the quad on at one position, and the second position, all the lights are on. So I'm just going to hook in and power up my light through this here, and I'm going to tap into it where we've already got some wires cut up here. If you have an LTZ400, this will be the same wiring. All right, so we got it all on there. This applies if you have an LTZ. Your black wire from your light bar will come down, and I tapped into the black and white. And then for the positive, since I did the blob delete and I just grouped the gray, the white, and the yellow together, if you're looking to do the blob delete, I have another video on that. And but if you have the blob delete, that's where I tied into my positive, because that is your positive wire. Your gray is the power coming in, and the yellow and white on the light socket are the positive. You just kick your key on, or your light switch on if you still have it, and bam, light bar. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and If you have any questions, feel free to reach out in the comments down below.